My name's Lauren and I found out about smart tech via my OT. The tech I've been using is the light bulbs, the Alexa show, the Ring doorbell and the hive heating. I use the light bulbs to help me when I go to bed and when I need to get up in the morning I can just turn it on. I don't have to worry about low lighting or anything like that. I know I'm always safe. I use the Alexa show to set reminders for appointments and medication mainly. I use it to watch YouTube sometimes when I'm in the kitchen and for recipes when I'm cooking. I use the Ring doorbell for answering deliveries mainly, so I don't need to rush to get to the door, or I don't have to worry about I need to be at the door waiting for when they get here. I use the hive heating for warmth mainly. I need it to get up in the mornings. I need to put it on to be able to basically function because I rely on heat a lot, and it means I don't have to leave it on all the time. I can turn it on and off when I need to. It's hard to choose a favourite. They all help me equally and save me needing extra care calls. The tech has made my life a lot more independent, needing less care, made me feel safer and less reliant on other people. I would recommend this service to anyone who needs that extra help, but in a modern way.